Welcome to another recipe on Rhythm of Flavors. Today let's have fun to transform a leftover chicken curry into a flavorful biryani. Have a quick look at the ingredients in the description box below. Let's start with taking 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Take half to 1 cup of broken cashews. Fry them until they are golden brown and keep them aside. In the same pan, add 2 big onions sliced. Fry the onion until they are brown. This is called biryani barista. My onions are now brown. Keep them aside while you take a bigger pan to make the biryani rice. In the pan, take 1 tablespoon of cooking oil or ghee. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds or jeera, 1 bay leaf, 1 inch cinnamon stick, about 3 cardamom pods, 3 to 4 cloves, and 3 to 4 strands of javitri or mace. Give a quick stir. Take 1.5 cup of washed and drained raw rice and add this to the whole masala. I have taken jeera sambar rice. You can take basmati or any flavored rice of your choice. Lightly stir fry so that all the flavors are infused into the rice. Add salt to taste. 1 mix. Add about 3 cups of water. Let it boil until the rice is almost 90% cooked. At this stage, I cover and cook until I get the right texture of the rice. Just the way we want it, our rice is 90% cooked. Time to layer our biryani and cook it on dum. So here comes the leftover chicken curry. I separated the chicken pieces from the curry and introduced our first layer with the chicken pieces. And the next layer is of rice. Basically, I have taken half the portion of chicken pieces and half the portion of rice. Next, we layer with chicken curry that we had kept separately. This will keep the biryani moist. Turn to add our already fried onions. Sprinkle a tablespoon of kevra water. Add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee. Next is the layer of soaked saffron strands in warm milk. Garnish this first layer with chopped coriander leaves. You can also add chopped mint leaves if you like. So our first layer is done. We repeat the process for our second layer. We complete our layers by using already fried cashews. Cover and cook on dum on low flame for about 15 to 20 minutes. Our flavorful biryani is all ready to be served. Cut it through all the layers and serve it with your favorite raita. Instead of chicken, you can use this recipe with any shahi veg curry. Thank you for watching. Like if you liked it. Comments are always welcome. It would be nice if you spread the word and subscribe for more such recipes.